Avalon Premium Hot Cold Top Loading Countertop Water Cooler Dispenser with Child Safety Lock. All Energy Star Approved Black, A1CTWTRCLRBLK. Hot and cold water spouts. When you use our water cooler dispenser, you can choose between a crisp cold and piping hot output, making it ideal for cool refreshments or toasty beverages. Child safe. Our water cooler dispenser is all Energy Star approved and features a child safety lock on the hot water spout, so the entire family can use its worry-free, innovative and stylish design. Avalon's Countertop top-loading water cooler dispenser features a slim design that won't look bulky, even in small spaces, and fits on any tabletop. Time-saving. Our top-loading water cooler dispenser saves time when you need to make a quick cup of tea, hot cocoa, or instant soup. You never have to wait for a pot or kettle to boil. Top-loading dispenser. This water cooler dispenser loads from the top and allows you to spot if the dispenser is running out of water, which is a great feature for office settings. Note: kindly refer user manual provided for installation and troubleshooting. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.